Hey everybody, Resto-Rob here. Today's show is just going to be a tool haul, a quick one. A combination of Habitat for Humanity and a flea market I like to pick. I wouldn't say flea market, but he has a roadside junk place that you can pick through. Weird guy. Nice guy, but a little odd. That I stop by every so often on my way home from work. And so yeah, here's what I picked up. Okay, let's start out with this pair of USMC nippers. They've got the tack puller, and they also have the flat blade screwdriver. Found these, they're called, the only markings I found was JMC forged. I'm not quite sure what they are. I think they're a crimping style plier for maybe crimping wire bands or something. If anybody knows what these are, what they're used for, let me know. Found this 2-inch Stanley Handyman clamp. This fine screwdriver. It's got a number 3 point. But the cool feature of this says JCPenney. I know somebody that's going to want that. Found this Roscoe number 3 Phillips number 3 space age finish. How could you go wrong with the space age finish? Precision ground. This Melco S56 flat blade. I like Melcos. Melco chrome vanadium. Look at that. We got ourselves another twisty screwdriver. I like the twisty screwdrivers, as you guys all know. This will clean up really nice. And then this one, flat blade. I kind of started cleaning it up. Need to do some final tweaking and detail work, but it is, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Snap on. That'll clean up really nice. Found a scratch-all or pokey thing. You can barely see the Stanley right there. Stanley logo. Pokey thing. Found this torpedo level. It's Stanley 2259. That'll clean up. Here we have a Billings ball peen. This is the first ball peen Billings I found. So that's a pretty good find. Found this older style Craftsman ball peen. Here, this hammer, it probably said Champion screwdriver, Champion hammer. That'll clean up nice, and this thing is tight. Step into the octagon. Yeah, this is a Craftsman with the octagon handle. It's loose. Somebody nailed it. This would be a good cleanup project. Here we have 3 chisels of various sizes, but 2 of them say Craftsman and 1 does not. These are etched pretty deep, so I wonder if this got sanded out at one point and they got rid of the Craftsman logo. Who knows? But that's a pretty good find. Found these 2 drill bits, brace bits. This one is WYETH, Wealth, and then this is your plain, your standard Irwin, number 4, and then the top one is a number 7. Here, I don't know if you can see it very well. Sickle H. Cincinnati tool. Am I reading that right? Protecto. Punch. Here we got a Globemaster punch. But this is a drift punch. Two Craftsman drift punches, tiny ones. Both Western Forge, 1/16 and 3/32. Here we have this Vermont American USA 3/32 drift punch or nail set. Just checking to see if these were nail sets, but they are actually drift punches. Found this, it's a Craftsman, 7/16. We'll see if we can't get that to clean up. Another Craftsman, 7/16 by 3/8. Single line. This is a V. This one here, VV. Double V. Got this extension. It's Industro There you go. You can see the Industro right there. 3H drive. This would be a good cleanup. Found a Sears 5/8. A mini set of Proto Challenger. Challenger by Proto. This is a 3/8. This one here is a 3/4. I'm sorry. This one's a 5/8. 5/8. 3/4. Thirteen sixteenths. And 7/8. So that was a pretty good score. We found this bench brush, or Dustmaster. I got a guy at work calls it a foxtail. I've always called it a bench brush or dust brush. So that's kind of cool. Two of these nail pouches for Lumber Company in Colorado Springs. I don't know if they're still around, but I got 2 of them. And this bin. I have a couple of other bins like this, so this will be part of a good stacking solution. Finally, a 12-inch Tremont. And an 18-inch Tremont. You can see it got broke right there. Well, good cutaway. See how it works. So after getting my 2 new Tremont wrenches, this is the one with the cutaway, and I believe it was this 12-inch right here. I pulled out my Tremont wrenches. I didn't realize I had this many at one point. So these are both my 24-inch right here. 18, 18, 14, 12, 10. And then of these spud, this is called a spud wrench, or we would probably call it a monkey wrench because of the flat jaws. This being a 12-inch. And then this one here, is Tremont, I believe, is a 6-inch. So, yeah. So, yeah, this is 12-inch. Or, I'm sorry, 24-inch. Drop forged, patented 3 5 of 18. No other markings. Same thing, Tremont. Patented. Here's the 18. And that says, I don't know if you can see it, 6/20/08 of 18. Sorry, not 08. Tremont. Then we had this one that I just picked up with the mark on. It says Department 16 Crane Co. Here, some owner mark right there. Not sure what that is. "12" no marks, but needs to be cleaned up. Here is our 10". It says Trade Tremont marked. Trademarked Tremont. I don't know how well you can see that. Patented 1889. So this is probably my oldest one. Got this one here, Tremont Manufacturing, patented 12/19 of 1911. And then the spud wrench, needs to be cleaned up to see the patent date. But there you have it. Those are my Tremont wrenches. Well, folks, what do you guys think of that quick tool haul? Fortunately, that Tremont 18" has that missing piece. I didn't even notice it, but I think those two Tremonts were $3 a piece. So clean it up and have a cutaway. And what was your favorite of those tool hauls? Any ideas on that first pair of JMC pliers? Not sure what they are. I think they might be a crimping tool. I'm not sure. If anybody out there has an idea, let me know. Otherwise, everybody stay safe, and we will check you later. Check you later.